Hi friends, in today video we are going to discuss about the Bing advertise platforms. Yes, we are talking about the Bing ads. So in today video we will see how we can generate the lead, inquiry, bookings with the help of Bing platforms. It doesn't matter you are targeting domestic or international market, but if you want to more leads and booking for your business and business growth, then you have to go for the Bing advertisement also. I am Deepak Kumar. I have 12 years experience in the PPC marketing and last 12 years I am doing the campaigning for educations, travels, healthcare, SaaS software provider company or others company. So here I am going to discuss about the Bing advertisement platforms, how you can set up the Bing advertisement just in the fourth step. So first step, you have to log in with your company or others email ID, or you can directly import your campaign from Google's or Bing or Facebook. If you are running already campaign on Google or Facebook, then you can directly import in the Bing platforms with the same email ID. Secondly, after setup with the campaign or ad group, you have to create a ad according to your business and services and targeted locations. Then you will go for the keyword mapping, and you can target again your keyword according to your business, services, products or your targeted locations. Then your ad will go on the policy review, then you will receive the impression, and then you will go for the conversion. Conversion in the case again is your targeted choices, calls, leads, bookings or others. So let me discuss few points how you can set up the campaign on the Bing platforms. Let's start. So friends, in today video we are going to discuss how we can set up Bing ads. So basically, if you are targeting international market, then Bing is the most popular platform for that. So in today's video, we are going to discuss how we can set up Bing advertisement similarly as we are doing on the Google ads. So first, I am just want to show you that this is the Bing platforms. You just log in the bing.com and you have to enter here Bing ads. Let me enter here. Okay, after entering the keywords, then you can find a link. With the help of this link, you can enter in the Bing ad or Bing advertisements. So let me click on the same link. Okay, so here we are on the screen of where we can start the Bing advertisements. As you can see on my screen, if you have any login ID, then you can enter your login credentials and you can start the creations of the ad and campaign. But if you are visiting first time and if you are starting first time campaigning on Bing platforms, then first you need to set up your accounts, then you can only enter in the Bing platforms. So how we can set up the accounts, let me discuss. So there are two options to set up the Bing advertisement. First, you have to create a new ID on outlook.com, yahoo.com, or you can enter with the help of Gmail or your domain specific email ID. Choice is yours, which one you want to use. Secondly, if you already have the campaign in the Google and you want to import in same, as you know, both platform mostly equal, or Google or Bing. So if we are targeting Bing ads, so first we need a fresh website. When we are saying fresh website, that means we need a new domain with fresh or original content. Copy content is not allowed in the case of the advertisements. Also, it is not allowed in the search engine optimization case, but here we are discussing only the PPC part. So we are discussing copy content. You should avoid if you are targeting Bing platforms or Google also. Secondly, you need a SSL. If you have website and you have fresh content, but you don't have SSL certificate on your website, so maybe this is the chances and you will get the suspensions due to security issue. Okay, so secondly you need SSL certificate. Third one, if you want to target, if you want to generate call from your websites, so you need a fresh toll free number, TFN toll free number or number. Okay, there are the two options. If when you purchase a new number, then choice is yours. You want to route your number from Bing ads numbers, or you want to direct call on your number, TFN or numbers. In some cases, if you are targeting the USA, UK or Australia market, then you can use DID number also. What is the DID number? You can check my video. They are the complete step-by-step guide how you can use the DID number to manage flow of calls or others. But if you are not targeting calls, your objective to generate lead. The fourth one is if you are targeting to generate lead, or you have website, let's suppose you are trying to run travel websites, or you are trying to run airline campaign and you are looking to generate the lead or booking with the help of your website, then you need a lead forms. Actually we can say that you need an active lead form. Okay, let me change the color so that you can understand easily. Okay, you need a lead or active lead forms. If you want to generate the call, you need a TFN toll free number, local number or DID number. Manage to CC. Fourth one, if your target objective to run this campaign is to generate booking, or let's suppose you are running a campaign for e-commerce website. It doesn't matter your targeted area is domestic or international, but you want to get more and more bookings. Then in that case, first, if your business is for travel or hotel, vacation package, cruise, airlines or others, in that case you need a API, okay, to generate booking. Or fifth, if you are running e-commerce website, then you need a active websites with the proper active functions, e-commerce like Shopify. And if you are targeting WordPress website, then you have to install WooCommerce also. Fifth and most important part, sixth, sorry. Let me write here. Six. Again repeating, it doesn't matter you are targeting domestic or international, but the sixth important part, your payment gateway. If you are targeting lead or booking, if you want to generate the bookings, you want to generate the lead with the help of your API or others, then you need a active gateway credentials on your website so that a visitor can book after entering the bank details. First, as we discuss, TFN, fresh TFN. Secondly, fresh content. Third one, we need at least 5 pages on the website. Rest is depend upon your budget on you. Then you are implementing an API or you are generating lead with the help of some lead forms or others. But at least if you want to run the campaign with the help of website, then you need 5 pages. First, home page. Okay, A, B, privacy policy, C, refund policy, D, disclaimer, and F, about us. How old you are, how you are dealing with the customer, how you are managing the flow of the traffic, how you are using the information of visitors, you are saving others bank details or others. You have to provide the concerns to the visitor with the help of on the privacy policy, refund policy, disclaimer about us. Okay, so basically this is for your website. When you implement all these page, with the fresh content, then the platform can approve your websites. When you will receive the impression, then you can go for the conversion. So conversion depend upon your bid strategy, how you are managing your bid. Let's take an example. You are using the manual CPC, you are using the CPA, you are adding your CPA, you are using ROS formula, you are running your campaign with impression sharing. It depends